The overall goal of this procedure is to collect total RNA from discrete brain nuclei in a repeatable, consistent, cost-efficient, and RNase-free manner. This is accomplished by first preparing an RNase-free work environment and removing the whole brain from a decapitated mouse. Next, a micrometer-operated tissue chopper is used to cut uniformly sized serial tissue sections. Then, brain regions of interest are microdissected using a set diameter tissue corer while maintaining tissue in an RNase-free medium environment. Finally, total RNA is isolated from the excised brain nuclei. Ultimately, results can be obtained that show sufficient total RNA yield and quality for downstream cDNA library preparation and transcriptome profiling through spectrophotometric or fluorometric assays.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods like gross anatomical or laser capture microscopy assisted brain region excision is that multiple discrete brain regions of interest can be collected from an individual mouse brain in a repeatable and cost-efficient manner.
This method can help answer key questions in the neuroscience field, such as whether distinct transcript expression profiles within brain regions associated with known neuronal circuits may be correlated with certain behavioral traits, environmental responses, and/or disease states.
To prepare for microdissection, supplement 100 milliliters of Earl's Balanced Salt Solution, or EBSS, with 0.44 grams of sodium bicarbonate and 0.884 grams of glucose. Treat the EBSS with 0.1 milliliters.